What is immunity in self-incrimination cases? Imagine being asked questions in a court that could send you to jail, but you have a special kind of protection that might let you answer without fear. That's what immunity is all about. When it comes to self-incrimination cases, immunity is a legal shield that stops your words from being used against you later. It's rooted in the Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution, which says you don't have to testify against yourself. This means you can refuse to answer questions or make statements that could lead to your criminal charges. But sometimes, the government offers you immunity so you can testify without risking self-incrimination. There are two main types of immunity. The first is use immunity. This means that whatever you say under oath cannot be used against you in a criminal case. The prosecutors can't use your words or evidence directly derived from your statements to charge you later. However, if they find other evidence not connected to your testimony, they can still prosecute you. The second type is transactional immunity. This offers complete protection. Once you agree to testify under transactional immunity, you cannot be prosecuted for the crimes you discuss. It's a full shield that covers any related charges, making it very powerful but less common. In practice, when a prosecutor grants you immunity, you are usually required to testify. You lose the right to refuse because of the Fifth Amendment. The agreement means the government gets the information it needs while you are protected from self-incrimination. If you get immunity at the federal level, it also protects you in state courts. But remember, immunity doesn't protect you from lying under oath. If you give false information, you can still be charged with perjury. Also, immunity only covers the crimes specified in the agreement. If you're asked about other crimes, you can still refuse to answer. Knowing about immunity helps you understand your rights better. If law enforcement asks for your testimony and you're worried about self-incrimination, you can negotiate for immunity first. It's important to review what crimes the immunity covers and what evidence is protected. Sometimes, talking to a lawyer before accepting immunity is a smart move. They can help you understand the full scope of your protection. The main idea is that immunity balances the government's need for information with your right not to self-incriminate. It allows the government to get the facts it needs without forcing you to give up your rights. So, if you're ever in a situation where your words might be used against you, knowing about immunity can be a key part of protecting yourself in the legal process.